So Netflix released a documentary a couple weeks ago on Bill Gates. So they capture his early life all the way through to building Microsoft, running the company, and all the cool things that he's doing right now. We get a deep dive into his personal life, all the things that he's currently going through, and then just like what keeps him motivated in life. So I watched this the other day and I realized this thing that all these successful people, all these people that are changing the world, this thing that they all do. They all ask questions. Bill Gates, who's 63, already built Microsoft, is worth $100+ billion, still asks questions to this day. He starts off every project, everything he works on by asking questions, and he ends with asking questions. So, moving to design now, I think asking questions is super fundamental, but it's often overlooked. I think it's an incredible superpower that can help elevate your craft and your career. But I think asking questions is part of a broader quality that really separates out the most influential people in this world. So, the best tip for how to excel your UX design career, I think, is to be just genuinely curious. When you're curious, you're interested, and your passion really shows, and it can sometimes leave a nice trail. Being curious also indicates that you're okay with not knowing right now, but you're super determined in finding the answer. You do this by asking questions like Bill Gates. By doing this, you open yourself up to being vulnerable, and you're okay with being the dumbest person in the room. You're humble. And finally, it just leaves you with some sort of call to action to continue on a conversation, a topic, a project that you're working on, and things like that. So be curious, ask lots of questions, be okay with not knowing things, but also be determined in finding the answers. This is also a note to myself because I definitely fall victim to not doing this. All right, hopefully we both can improve, and I'll see ya.